Hey YouTube, it's me. And, well, I'm just sitting up in my dorm room. I would be on a plane right now if it weren't for this stupid snowstorm. Um, like, let me show you. Yeah. The reason it's all white and you can't see anything is because everything outside is white right now. Like, I'm not even kidding. It's insane. I mean, I've always wanted to see it snow, but I was hoping that this opportunity would come at another time and that it wouldn't prevent me from going home, basically. So, well, everything comes at a price, I guess. Well, my flight was supposed to depart at 11:55. It's now 11:21. And I don't know if you can hear the music or not, but I'm on hold with the airline so that I can get switched to another flight. And they said that, okay, they said that I'm supposed to call in before my flight departs. Well, my original flight would have departed. And, well, I called before, but it seems, hold on.